Hey guys, this is Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very easy 5-minute salad recipe, but it is packed with multiple health benefits. Yes, sprouted fenugreek salad with fruits and veggies. Sprouting of methi or fenugreek seeds increases its nutritional profile and are less bitter in taste. They have better anti-diabetic and antioxidant properties and are excellent for taming diabetes. Methi sprouts cools down the digestive system and relieves constipation. Soaked and sprouted seeds have great anti-inflammatory property and helps to relieve acidity. Fenugreek sprouts are heart healthy as it helps in lowering the cholesterol levels. It not only combats hair fall and dandruff, but also helps to attain smooth, acne-free skin. Fenugreek seeds are best for weight loss. Adding fruits to the salad balances the taste of the sprouts, and sprinkling some seeds or nuts on top not only enhances its nutritional content, but also adds crunchiness to the salad, making it more tasty. So this is very easy to make, and come on, let's get into the video.